welcome back to another unboxing video. So guys, I just received my package and I know you all are probably wondering what's in this box. Yes, so guys, I purchased this item on eBay and I can't wait to see what's in the box as well. And guys, before we get into opening our box, I just want to wish everybody a happy new year, guys. I hope you're out with New Year catch you in a good spirit and you have some good plans for the new year. So yeah, let's go and open our box. And guys, you'll probably notice the background. I changed salon, yes. So that's the reason why I have to purchase this item. Alright, so we have an instruction. When I set it up, you'll see. But it's like a trolley that you use to put stuff on, like for instance, I need to put my product to work or stuff like that. I use this. Okay guys, we are all set. Alright, let me show you what's going on with this item. Alright, so this is the top of it and the bottom It is very sturdy, of course. Alright, so what is this for is like if I am using a product and I need to rest it somewhere, I can rest it on this because it is the new station and it don't come with like normally the stations will make with the dresser and stuff like that. You can put stuff on the front. Well, this one don't have that. It just a straight mirror, and you have the sides where you can like put your dryer and your hot iron, and it have sections where you can pull out the drawer and stuff like that, but you don't have anywhere on it where you can place products if you're using it. So that's the reason why I purchased this item, so I can rest like if I'm doing a perm or if I'm using a product, stuff like that. Okay guys, so I'm finished with the video. I'm finished setting up. I'm gonna leave a link in my description below if you want to purchase one of these items, and it's that expensive. Yeah, so that's it for today, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment down below, and follow me on my Instagram page at Jessie Simone Beauty Style. Bye guys.